Hello guys, this is John Haste, and if you're into game design and game development, check out my complete courses. The links are in the description. Hello guys, welcome back, and today we'll be talking about types of games. Well, there are several types of games. In order to make the understanding easier, let's divide them into three categories: analog games, digital games, and gamification. In this class, I'll be giving you a short introduction about those three. Analog games are a great way to start building your own games so you can become a good game designer. With this type of game, you don't have to know how to program or illustrate, and you can prototype your ideas in less time and validate them with your friends. Analog games are usually played on a table, but not always. And you can really connect people in the same environment because you're facing them. So you're both sharing the same environment, the same temperature. And in many situations, you can influence people and communicate using your body language. Design analog games is not a hard task. Draw a board on a paper. Grab some markers to be the players. Take turns rolling a six-sided dice to know how many steps you can take. The first person to get to the last position is the winner. There you have it. You just designed the game. But is it good? Is anybody really gonna wanna play that? The real hard thing about creating good games is designing a meaningful choice, balancing the game, and making the player feel the desired emotions you want him to feel, according to the theme and the mechanics you just created. Some of the most common types of analog games are board games, card games, and sports. Board games like Monopoly and chess, card games like poker, Yu-Gi-Oh, Magic the Gathering, and sports like soccer and basketball. The game in the picture is Jenga. In this game, you need to have the dexterity to pick the wooden pieces without letting the tower fall. Digital games are softwares played inside computers. What? Before understanding what digital games are and how they work, first, it's important to understand how computers work. Computers are electronic devices capable of doing calculations. Some kind of data comes from the input sources, and they're displayed through the output sources. Computers have two main types of components: softwares and hardwares. And there's a simple trick to help you remember which is which. Software is what you curse when you're mad, like, "That browser's freaking slow!" Or, "That game crashes all the time!" Also, Steam and image editors. These are software, something you cannot touch. And for hardware, it's what you hit when you're mad. "That freaking keyboard won't work!" Also, mouse, a monitor, and a printer. These are the physical things, some things that you can touch. Every game played in a console is a video game, like FIFA, Super Mario, Pac-Man, Space Invaders, and Fortnite. Board games can also have a digital version, being a board game and a digital game at the same time. In order to create gamification, you need to take the dynamics and the elements from a game and use them to create an experience, a gamified experience. Gamification is really used to improve productivity and engagement because it can really motivate people towards an objective. It means that gamification can change people's behaviors. Gamification has become fashionable and it's starting to become mainstream. That is good, but also dangerous. Because creating a gamified experience, it's not only about adding some levels, goals, and experiences to make a boring process become really fun. You need to take care on every step you take. Test the experience, align and balance every game element, so the game can be fluid and fun. Gamification is commonly used in enterprise environments, and it's also used to create educational games and make the learning process more fun, if done in the right way. A very famous case of gamification is the Foursquare app. The more you visited a place, the more points you earned, so you could advance levels and become the king. But even more than that, you could earn things and get to know your city better. So gamification usually uses computers to help it work, helping us with the rule system. The computers are usually the judge. That's all for now. Thank you very much and see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. And if I can help you in any way, please leave a comment. Thank you and see you next time.